Hi, my name is Cynthia Gill, and I have the privilege and honor of bringing Business by the Book to your market center over the next couple of weeks. I wanted to take just a moment to share with you why you should come spend the day with me. Not only are we going to have a fantastic time, I promise you a lot of fun, I also promise that you will walk away from the day with a complete outline and framework from the foundational pieces in both of these amazing books written by Gary Keller. You know, when I first got into the business in 2004, one of the things that I learned was we should be reading the Millionaire Real Estate Agent book every single year. So let me ask you the question. When's the last time you picked up the MREA book and really read it cover to cover and drafted from reading the book an amazing strategy that'll help you succeed for the next coming year? I know that we're up against a lot of changes in our industry, which plays a toll on our mindset, also makes us take a look at the blueprint for our business. And what better time to do that than right now as we're coming in for a strong ending for this year, and will help build a great foundation for the year ahead. If you're like a lot of agents, you might be falling asleep at night with some worry on your mind, or waking up the next day wondering, I think I forgot to do something, or I'm not quite sure if I'm focusing on the right activities. Well, this course is designed to help you target the items needed, the activities needed in order for you to have a productivity-based business. Why not come and take the guesswork out of what's standing between you and success? We will cover productivity, profitability, mindset. We will cover listings, leads, leverage, and how to run a profitable business. So if you have a copy of the MREA book and you have a copy of the One Thing book, bring those along. And if not, it's totally okay. We're going to have great class materials, easy to follow along, lots of collaboration. And I always say, every time I teach this course, I learn something new, and I'm excited for you to learn something new too. If you're a new agent, this course is for you. If you're an agent on a team, this course is for you. And if you're one of these amazing real estate agents who are running teams, this course is for you and your team. So I look forward to seeing you all here in a couple of weeks. For more information, take a look right below. Thank you for your time.